single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to Danyellalicious with Loving Life, and today I'll be doing a skincare tutorial. So this is the first time I'm using these products, so I would let you guys know how I feel and stuff about it. And today I didn't wear makeup, so I don't know how well it will take off makeup, but I will show you the stuff I'll be using. So I'll be using this. It's like this side is rough, and then this side you can put your hand in it. A foam acne scrub, a mud mask, a face wash. These are some face pads with astringent on it, and just a tiny face scrub and a brush to apply the face mask. So let's begin. So we're going to start by wetting the face. Now you're going to wet this, squeeze it a little. We're going to add this to it. A couple pumps, 2 pumps, and then you rub it together. Then get foamy with it, and then you're going to scrub your face with it. But I like to scrub my face and my neck. So I don't find it soapy enough. Put a few more pumps. You rub it with your hand. It foams up fast, as you can see. Right. So it's ready to go now. So now for the acne face scrub, the directions say apply to face, nose, neck, and gently massage. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna wet it a little. We're gonna apply it to it. And now we're gonna scrub. So I like to rub it all around first. I get to all the areas. And then in circular motion, then do it all around my face. Right. So now to wash it off. This one is harder to wash off. This one is harder to wash off than the soapy kind of feeling like slime. So now for the mask. So for the face mask, it says to apply to clean dry skin. So we're just gonna pat our face. Dry. And with this brush, this is a mud mask and pure clay formula. It is to be leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just apply it. Dig it. Okay. I was like painting. I am my own canvas. It smells like dirt. Well, like clay mud. And then you have to leave it to dry. And also to my neck. Right, so now I'm going to let this dry and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay, so now that the clay has dried, it feels really soft, but my face feeling tight. Especially if I do like this on here, feel like a pulling, but it feels soft. So time to wash it off. So now dry our face. You get one of the pads and you pass it on your skin. After this step, you use whatever facial cream you like using. This. And that's about it. Yeah. So the skin feels clean. I feel you literally feeling like if your pores open. Face feel like how to describe it? Your face feel lighter. It didn't have any burning or nothing felt extra like rough or stuff like exfoliation, but it all depends on how sensitive your skin is. You guys can like, share, comment down below, and let me know what kind of videos you all like. Don't forget to subscribe. How long have you been watching my videos? And you can follow me on my social medias. Should put them. It will be in the bio that is down below when you press the tiny arrow, I think. And stay Danyellalicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.